Step into a world of serenity and innovation with our 2025 Tiny Home Garden Oasis. This architectural gem blends lush greenery with modern elegance, transforming compact spaces into vibrant sanctuaries. From cascading vertical gardens to cozy, nature-inspired interiors, every detail exudes charm and functionality. Join us on this journey to explore a home where beauty meets sustainability, and let its tranquil allure inspire your dreams. Subscribe now to discover more breathtaking designs. Welcome to Creative Abode. We explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring living spaces. Whether transforming your home or discovering design trends, you're in the right place. Let's create stylish, comfortable, and creative spaces together. As dawn bathes the tiny home's facade in golden light, its warm wooden panels gleam with timeless elegance. Floor-to-ceiling windows, framed in sleek black, reflect the vibrant hues of cascading vertical gardens, ferns and ivy weaving a living tapestry. Mustard yellow and coral trims add bold yet harmonious accents, while a cobblestone path, flanked by potted plants and solar lanterns, beckons you closer. This 2025 garden oasis marries modern design with nature's embrace, inviting you into a serene retreat. Subscribe to explore how small spaces become extraordinary havens. Enter the living room, where compact luxury meets natural splendor. A built-in sofa, adorned with teal cushions, nestles against a lush green wall of ferns and trailing vines. Large black-framed windows, draped in mustard yellow curtains, flood the space with light, highlighting warm oak floors and a woven rug. Coral throw pillows and art add vibrant pops, creating a serene yet lively ambience. This 2025 tiny home redefines cozy elegance, blending functionality with nature's touch. Subscribe to uncover more inspiring interiors that transform small spaces. Ascend to the master bedroom, a tranquil haven of refined simplicity. A lofted wooden bed, draped in teal linens and coral throws, rests beneath a living wall of cascading ivy, softly lit by LEDs. Black-framed windows with mustard yellow trim frame views of the lush front yard, bathing the room in natural light. A built-in shelf cradles succulents, enhancing the serene vibe. Warm oak floors tie this 2025 retreat to the home's cohesive aesthetic. Subscribe to discover how tiny spaces craft elegant, nature-inspired sanctuaries. The kitchen, a masterpiece of compact elegance, hums with vibrant energy. Warm wooden cabinets pair with a black countertop and mustard yellow backsplash, creating striking contrast. Potted herbs, basil, mint, thrive on a sunlit windowsill, framed by black. Teal appliances and coral dishware add playful pops, while a foldable oak dining nook maximizes space. This 2025 tiny home kitchen blends functionality with lush charm, inviting culinary creativity. Subscribe to explore innovative designs that make every inch of a tiny home shine. Ascend to the mezzanine, a cozy retreat perched above the home's heart. A built-in wooden bench, cushioned in teal with coral throws, invites quiet reflection. Skylights with black frames and mustard yellow trim flood the space with light, illuminating a railing adorned with trailing vines and succulents. Warm oak floors and a woven wall hanging add texture, tying this nook to the 2025 tiny home's lush aesthetic. Serene yet vibrant, it's a haven for thought. Subscribe to discover more ingenious spaces that elevate tiny living. The bathroom, a compact sanctuary, radiates refined elegance. A warm wooden vanity sits beneath a black-framed mirror, complemented by a mustard yellow towel rack. Coral and teal mosaic tiles gleam in the shower, while potted ferns thrive on a sunlit windowsill. A living green wall adds lush serenity, harmonizing with warm oak floors. This 2025 tiny home bathroom blends functionality with nature's embrace, creating a rejuvenating escape. Subscribe to see how small spaces transform into luxurious, vibrant retreats. The front yard, a vibrant oasis, welcomes you with lush charm. Raised garden beds burst with marigolds and kale, framed by vertical trellises draped in vines. A cobblestone path, lined with solar lanterns, winds toward the home's warm wooden facade, accented by mustard yellow and coral. This 2025 tiny home garden maximizes space with edible plants and colorful blooms, crafting a serene retreat. Its high-contrast beauty captivates the senses. Subscribe to explore more innovative outdoor designs that redefine tiny living. Ascend to the rooftop, a verdant escape bathed in elegance. A wooden pergola, draped with vines and fairy lights, shelters a bench with teal cushions and coral throws. Raised planters brim with herbs and zinnias, their mustard yellow pots adding vibrant contrast. Black-framed railings ensure safety, while warm oak decking ties this 2025 retreat to the home's lush aesthetic. Perfect for stargazing or quiet moments, this rooftop oasis inspires serenity. Subscribe to discover more breathtaking spaces that elevate tiny homes. The working room, a haven of focus, blends productivity with elegance. A foldable wooden desk in warm tones pairs with a teal chair and mustard yellow lamp. A living green wall of ferns adds lush serenity, while black-framed windows with coral curtains invite natural light. Built-in shelves hold plants and books, enhancing the 2025 tiny home's cohesive aesthetic. Warm oak floors ground this vibrant, high-contrast space, perfect for creativity. Subscribe to explore innovative workspaces that transform tiny living. The backyard, a tranquil retreat, radiates vibrant charm. A warm wooden deck hosts a bench with teal cushions and coral pillows, surrounded by raised beds of tomatoes and ferns. A vertical garden wall of succulents ties to the home's lush facade, while mustard yellow lanterns add bold accents. This 2025 tiny home oasis maximizes space with edible plants and greenery, creating a serene escape. Its high-contrast elegance invites relaxation. Subscribe to discover more stunning designs that redefine tiny home living. This 2025 tiny home garden oasis weaves nature and elegance into every corner, proving small spaces can inspire grand dreams. From lush gardens to vibrant interiors, each detail captivates. Join our journey to explore more innovative designs that transform tiny living into extraordinary experiences. Subscribe now to unlock a world of inspiration and create your own serene haven.